Welcome to ISE's Equity Index Weekly Outlook, a weekly outlook on ISE and other industry indexes, hosted by Patrick Seresna, a derivative market specialist and investment manager with extensive expertise in options and the broader derivative markets. ISE trades options on more than 15 proprietary sector indexes, as well as broad-based indexes and a variety of licensed benchmarks. ISE continually enhances its trading systems and develops new index options products to provide investors with the best marketplace and investment tools to trade smarter.
Hello and welcome to the ISE Equity Index Outlook for October 17, 2011. This is Patrick Seresna. As always, we start off with a chart of the S&P 500 using that SPDR exchange rate fund symbol SPY. We were looking for a market bottom to come in late September or the first week of October and subsequently bang out the bottoms of the year. And we may very well have seen that with the robust multi-week rally now having fully recovered the last wave of selling. There's now substantial neutrality to the price action from what we've seen over the last 2 months. And now we're well overdue for some sort of a corrective pattern. We may see a little bit of a consolidation point down to 115 to the 117 area on the downside, but more than likely that will emerge as a buying opportunity. Next year, I want to take a look at the ISE U.S. Regional Banks Index, which is symbol JLO, and the regional banks have also continued to bang out a bit of a bottom. We continue to see overhead resistance in this 19.5 to 20 area on the upside, but if the regional banks can make any progress above that overhead resistance, we should be able to see the $21, maybe even $22 area in the upcoming weeks. Next year, I want to take a look at the ISE Sindex, which is symbol SIN. This is an index of all the casino, tobacco, and distiller companies. And the Sindex has done a very good job making almost a full recovery of the last wave of selling. The selling from 130 down to 105 was quite methodical and completed a measured move. Really, at this stage, so long as all sell-offs here are contained to $5 to $7 on the downside, then the Sindex will be accumulated, and we should be looking for targets not only up to the 128 to 130, but we may see even the Sindex work up to even 135 or 140 on the upside over the upcoming month. Next year, I want to take a look at the ISE Home Builders Index, which is symbol RUF, and the home builders have bounced a bit, but the follow-through on the upside still is relatively weak in comparison to the degree of all the other rallies we've seen in the other sectors. At this stage, if the whole market is bottomed, we will probably see the home builders work and bang out at some sort of short-term low, but it should be a formidable uphill battle to get back to the 720 area over the next few weeks, but it's certainly possible. But we're not looking for any major robust reversals here. Next year, I want to take a look at the ISE Natural Gas Index, which is symbol FUM. The Natural Gas Index has bounced off those lows and is on its way for doing a full recovery. The natural gas sector, like all commodities, should continue to struggle a little bit during periods of U.S. dollar strength. But really, this recovery has been substantial. If we see the natural gas index contain all selling to $5 to $10 on the downside on pullbacks, then we should see a recovery even as high as the 120 to 123 area on the upside. Finally, I want to take a look at the ISE Mini FTSE 100 Index, which is symbol UKX. And what was interesting about the London market is that while a lot of the other European countries actually pushed lower lows during the last waves of selling, the FTSE just kind of teased with a small breakdown candle and immediately reversed. Is a good indication that the FTSE has banged out some sort of short-term, will most likely mark the lows of the 2011 year. But again, we'll be looking for pullbacks, maybe 530, 525, and from there we should make a push up toward the 560, 570 area on the upside. That was your ISE Equity Index Outlook. Thank you for joining me.
Thank you for participating in this week's session. Please join us again next week. For more information about Patrick Seresna and to sign up for free index options trade alerts, visit www.optionsource.net. To learn more about ISE index options, visit us at www.ise.com/indexoptions.